How to find these saved YouTube videos. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. Now, first thing that you need to understand that how do you save a YouTube video. There are within the YouTube homepage, there are three ways that you can save a video. One, that you like a video and it will be added into your liked videos folder. The other is that you click the watch later icon and watch it subsequently, like this one, save to watch later. And the other thing is that you click save to playlist and then you create a playlist and save that video in that playlist. For example, right now I can save this in watch later or these two folders, test these and video makers. So I have saved it in a watch later, and now I'll just close it. Now the question is that how do I find the videos that I have saved in watch later or in any separate self-created playlist? And for that you need to first of all be logged into the account, and then you need to come towards this side and click this U option, and now your own activity page will open. On the top you will see the history and then your own playlists that you have created. So in case you have added a video into a specific playlist, that will be shown here. Otherwise, if you have liked a video, then you need to see these liked videos folder. And if you have added that video into watch later, like I have added just in front of you this video in my watch later list, and this is available right here. Now I can open up any of these, for example, test these videos. If I click that, so I would see that these videos, this playlist will open up and they would start to play, and I can find my video here.